Hi guys, welcome back to part 6 of my speed build. We should be getting done with the entire downstairs, so that's exciting. Sadly y'all won't see my face today. I didn't feel like getting dressed completely today. I mean, I am fully dressed, but I'm in my pajamas today. So I don't really feel like recording. And plus it's going to be like a really quick build since we have, really small areas to cover today. So just to recap, we are finishing up the let's go over here. Okay, we're finishing the backyard and the guest bathroom and the pool house thing. So that's really all we're gonna do today. I didn't get up late, but I got started late. I had things to do, and I still have things to do. So hopefully this will go as fast as I hope it does, because I got dishes to do. I've already like picked up Blaine's toys from yesterday, which is kind of a pointless thing because toys are gonna get everywhere anyways. And then I've already vacuumed because he threw most of his breakfast on the floor. So that was fun. So yeah, real quick though, I'm going to be putting even though I think it doesn't really matter where the laundry basket is, I'm still gonna put one in the bathroom. So let's find a spot for this bad boy. Maybe put it over here. Yeah, let's put it over here. But yeah, so that's all we're going to do today. So I hope y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy. I love you. Bye.
walking away. Was it hard when you found yourself outside? Were you scared? Start all over. Did you always know you would leave me behind? Do you remember when all we had was us? I thought that would always be enough. But were we just two kids with nothing else to do? A little money in our pockets and a hurry to say I love you. Swear the days last forever, never thinking about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. Now I gotta see you all through town, standing next to him. Does he know all your secrets? Could he tell you all your dreams? I still remember when all we had was us. I thought that would always be enough. But were we just two kids with nothing else to do? A little money in our pockets and a hurry to say I love you. Swear the days last forever, never thinking about the end. As long as we were together, we could make it through anything. But I knew my heart's in trouble with you.
Okay, guys, I gotta stop here. I gotta go get dressed, and I gotta go change Blaine, and I got to go get onto him because he's into stuff right now. So, anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed. I will finish trying to figure out how to paint the house. I am gonna keep that brown though. I do like the brown. So I'm just gonna have to find some rock that I like better. So anyways, I love you guys, and please remember to leave a sweet, sweet comment down below, and like and subscribe, and tell your friends and everybody who likes The Sims 4. So anyways, I love you guys. Bye.
When we were young, the higher places made us strong together.